The use of video in business communication has significant benefits. Take Ben, for example. What started out looking like a very demanding morning, turned out to be a very productive one. First, Ben had a long, yet successful meeting with his management team. Next, quite a few points raised at the meeting had to be communicated to employees. A colleague suggested that the easiest way to convey their decisions to the rest of the staff would be to make a short explainer video highlighting the main points and to make this available to staff on the extranet. After his assistant was assigned with the task, Ben inspected the workshop. He was very pleased to see that everyone is on target. Each member of the team knew exactly what was expected of them, thanks to the floor manager's habit of briefing staff every morning in a short recorded video message. By the time Ben got back to his office on the 8th floor, it was about an hour and a half before lunchtime. He opened his inbox, only to find 27 emails that his PA had selected for his personal attention. Ben dreaded reading through all 27, let alone responding to all before 1 o'clock. But, it turned out that 16 of them were video communications. Great. That meant that he did not have to read lots of texts. It also meant that Ben could get to grips with what had been communicated to him in a much faster and more efficient manner. After all, seeing the finance department's statistics in a short explainer video, complete with graphs and other useful visuals, as opposed to reading their report, made it much easier to get his head around all those figures. In addition, a video showcasing the company's new products range gave him a much better idea of the whole concept, as opposed to reading 7 pages of text in order to get the full picture. What Ben also found very user-friendly was HR's short list of candidates for the new appointment in the marketing department. A short video introduced him to each candidate. He was very quickly able to narrow them down to those that should be invited for a personal interview. Ben responded to most of his emails by means of short video recordings. After all, it is much faster to talk than to write a response. He also does not have to do a spell check, or be concerned that the tone of his written responses may be misinterpreted. Ben now just quickly needs to respond to one more of his business associates who needs information about a new product. He will also do this by means of a short video recording. In addition, Ben will send his business associate the relevant product video so that he too can get the big picture in no time. Ben is impressed with himself. He achieved a lot this morning and is looking forward to his lunch appointment.